How is it going, everyone? It's Rob from Paragon, and today we're talking about the RGB taillights. Let's get into it. So the RGB taillights are pretty neat. Now, when they're off like they are now, you may notice that they do look almost identical to the European smoked style taillights we recently released a couple months ago. That is because they share a lot of the same upgraded features and functions and whatnot that those taillights had. The only really big major change on these is the RGB capability, which we're gonna dive into today. So if you want a more in-depth kind of comparison video between the smoked taillights, their functions and features compared to the OEM taillights on these cars, well, you're in luck. We actually did a comparison video like that, so I'll have that linked and you can check that out as well. But without further ado, let's get into the RGB capabilities of these lights. So in order to connect, use, and control these lights, that is going to be done via Bluetooth using a mobile phone or compatible device. So let's get that pulled up and connected and get these bad boys turned on. So when we open up the app, we can see it is searching for devices, and you will find the name and number of your device on the control module that we installed on the car with these lights. Ours is going to be SP110E. So we will click on that. It says connected, and off to the top right, we see a toggle switch that is in the off position. And when we turn it on, as we can see, the lights come on. Now at the bottom, we'll hit enter. And now we are into the settings. So here in the app, we have over 120 different pre-programmed shows and lighting functions. So we're not gonna go through all 120, but it is pretty cool. You do have those options you can scroll through, and at the top there is a heart. So if you do find one that you like, you can favorite that and get back to that show easily. So if you can't find one that's your favorite, no worries. They do have an auto feature. If you tap in the center of this circle where the number is, you'll see it says auto. And if we take a look at the lights, they are doing an auto show. So they'll run through all 120 pre-programmed things. So that is pretty cool. And down below that, we can see there are 7 color swatches. So if we tap one of those, you can see it says solid here in the app. And on the lights, it gives us a solid color. So the green, that's pretty cool. Blue, yellow, pink, light blue, white. We've got all those options, but if maybe you've got a unique colored car or favorite color, no worries. There is a color slider here. As you can see, we can drag it along and pick these individual custom made colors to match. So that is pretty neat. And down below those color swatches, we do see some sliders there. Your top one is going to be brightness. So obviously if we drag it all the way down, it is going to turn them off. They're dark now. So you can change the brightness. In the center there, that is going to be your speed. So if you have one of these shows going on, you can slow it down. You can pick a happy speed in the middle, all the way fast at the very top. And then at the bottom is going to be your saturation or luminance with the white. So at the very bottom, we get all the color. And if we drag it all the way to the top, as you can see, we still have the pattern and show going on, but it is now white. So you can kind of mix and match with that to what you enjoy. So that is pretty cool. There is so many different options and room for customization to make these lights just as unique as you and your C8 Corvette are. These will work on all variants of the C8 model Corvette. So whether you have a Stingray or a Z06 or E-Ray, these are gonna work on all of them. Plug and play, really cool. The app, like I showed, super simple to get the hang of. And when you are ready to leave the car show or showing these awesome lights off to your friends, we simply go back in the app, hit that toggle switch, and now the lights are off. And when we turn the car on, they will go back to normal. So obviously, do not drive with these flashing, red or blue or anything like that. Turn them off before you drive. These are off-road use only, so great for car shows, photo shoots, videos, whatnot. Really cool product. So let me know what you think in the comments. Hopefully you enjoyed and this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to let me know by leaving a like down below. And if you want to get a set for your C8 Corvette, the links will be in the description down below. Let me know it was useful by leaving a like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Rob from Paragon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.